In this video you will see how to flip an image in Google Slides. As you can see, I have flipped this cat image horizontally and it's very easy. Let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab and upload the image from the computer. After uploading the image, now if you want to mirror image, then just copy paste the image. Place the duplicate image next to the original image and click on the image. Go to the Arrange tab and under the Rotate, select the option Flip horizontally to get the flipped image. There is one more option. You can just hold this end with your mouse and just drag it to the extreme left and you will get the flipped image. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Google Slides. Thank you.